Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. OMG. So, this is like my seventh pour on this. It has been purple, it's been crimson red, it's been hot pink, it's been black. I washed it, and now we're starting over. So, I discovered that I do need to coat this vase. I didn't do that before. My lighting is not the best tonight, so I apologize. I don't know what's going on, but when I did do this earlier, the colors did not show up like how the colors are. Kind of like the orange looks very, I don't know if the right word would be iridescent, but it's kind of like translucent, if that makes sense. Like it was just hard to see the real colors because this vase was really pretty. It really was with the colors. The colors that I'm going to use tonight are hot pink, orange, white, and I think it's apricot, like ripe apricot. I did that because I don't have too much orange. So, let's see how this one will turn out. And again, my lighting is super poor, but let's get started. I haven't done a video in a while, and I have just been working, but I'm back. This is looking cool. I do like to rotate the colors. Now that looks beautiful. Might just stop right there. No, I won't. I'm gonna keep going. Yep, there. I hope that I have this vase leveled. See that orange right here? That's pretty, but I do want some pink on there. I hope everybody has been enjoying themselves. I have, even though I've been working a whole bunch. Just trying to get some things in order and la-di-da-di. But anyways, this is looking cool. Let's see the other side. Yeah, this has a lot of orange on it, but that's okay. It's gonna flow down. Maybe I can lift it up and push some of that paint down, or just, you know, every time I think of wanting to dump more paint on it, I regret it later. So let's pause. Okay. Although that is really orangey on that side, I think I'm going to leave it how it is. I'm going to try to not make you guys dizzy. I'm going to try not to fall. But look at that. Finally, I think I have success. That only took like 7 times and a whole bunch of frustration. This side is orangey, but I think once it drips down, flows down, it'll be okay. But again, I want to thank all my new subscribers, all my committed subscribers. Sorry that I haven't been here, but life gets lifey sometimes, you know, and I really appreciate all of you. In addition, we're going to pause this and let this drip, and we'll be back. Alrighty, we're back. So, take it down. I really like how this turned out. Pretty cool. But yeah, as I was saying, life definitely gets lifey. Nothing wrong, nothing bad has happened, but sometimes just it is what it is. And I really wanted to get back into painting, so I did tonight. Also, stay tuned because I'm going to post another video of all my finished glass work. So the only thing that they need done is to be resined, but other than that, they are done. This looks super, super cool. Alright guys, I enjoyed it. I enjoy you guys very much. I appreciate you so much, and I hope life is great to you. See you soon. Bye-bye.